Last summer, I went on a boat trip with my family. We sailed across the ocean and saw something enormous in the water. It was a whale. It swam near our boat and used its blowhole to breathe. I learned that whales are mammals, just like humans. They can dive very deep into the sea. Whales are gentle and beautiful. People must protect them from pollution and hunting. That was the best day of my life.